I roasted up some beets with some salt and pepper and a little sprig of thyme last night, turned it off, left it in the oven to cool while I slept so that I can make my roasted beet yogurt. Look at that. So you can actually totally buy pre-cooked beets in a pinch, but roasting really brings out this sweetness that even though I'm making a quote-unquote savory yogurt, it's pretty delicious. And because I don't want my hands to be totally pink all day, I'm using gloves. One of the things that I love, I mean, it's no secret that I love food and I love eating, but something that I really love is how food brings people together. Growing up in my grandmother's house, the first thing you were always asked when you entered the door was, "Are you hungry?" Because if you arrived, you must be hungry. If you've been there 2 hours, you must be hungry again. And people who didn't love to eat as much as we did were always regarded with just a little bit of suspicion in my family. Now the gloves are coming off. Greek yogurt. It's a totally different way. Usually when we eat yogurt, it's like so filled with sugar. This is a totally new way to eat yogurt, but it was actually inspired by one of my favorite party dips of all time, which is beet and walnuts. So I thought, hey, could I actually make that into a breakfast? Yes, I can. And Greek yogurt is, of course, awesome for breakfast because of the protein. Plenty of protein so that I'm not hangry in an hour. A few walnuts. I just love that flavor. It's like a little bit buttery, a little bit earthy. A bit of lemon juice to freshen everything up. And olive oil, because why not? The yogurt is going to turn the most beautiful deep red color. Why not make breakfast pretty? So I said it was savory, but the beets are so sweet and delicious, and the creaminess of the yogurt, it's like a 2-minute breakfast.